Hey guys, welcome back to Little Mike's TV, the littlest TVs out of all motherfucking TVs, bitch. So today, I'm going to be trying out the sweetie meal. I never had a McDonald's burger a day in my life, but I'm only doing it for this video. So Mom, if you're watching this, I will never eat this again. This is just for YouTube, because she's gonna be so mad. But I also got me a sweet tea instead of a Sprite because I don't drink pop, and I got me a slushie. Hopefully this is good. It looks like just syrup, but we'll see if it's good. And then what comes with the sweetie meal is a 4-piece nugget. Oh, this is Kingston's for his Happy Meal. A medium fry. And then, of course, a Big Mac. And so this is what I'm scared to try. Hopefully it's super good. And then I have the sweetie sauce. And I also have ranch because I like to eat ranch with my nuggets. So hopefully everything is good. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna let y'all know what this is like. I want to do more videos like this on my channel. Like, I love watching mukbangs and just, you know. So why not me do it, you know? Because I like watching them. So I'm really only trying this for y'all because I promise you, I do not eat McDonald's every day. Like, if I do, it's because it's late night and nothing else is open, only McDonald's is open. So I go like while I'm high or something. Let's see what this tea tastes like. Okay, sweet tea's given. Let's see what the slushie tastes like. Okay, that's good too. So far, everything's good. So I know you're supposed to put everything on the burger. I think that's how it goes. But I'm just gonna taste the Big Mac first before I do all of that. So here's the Big Mac. I hope this is good, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna dip it in sweet y'all. Fries is good. Eat those nuggets. Alright. Let's try. Oh shit.
You're filming?
Yeah. Alright. I'm my first time trying the sweet meal.
you got it? Chicken nuggets? It's a double stack?
Right now, King is sleeping out. Well, he's up now. So if I get distracted, that's why. But alright, so it's gonna taste. Hi, King. I brought you some food.
You know, poking a little bun. Can I have chicken nuggets? This the drink she be getting?
No, she gets a Sprite, but I don't drink soda.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It's not bad.
What kind of burger is it?
A Big Mac.
Oh.
It's not bad. Hi, King. I bought you some. So y'all, we have a special guest now. We have King. He just woke up from his nap. Sit right here. You gonna eat your food? I'm gonna give him my 4-piece nugget. It's 3 pieces. And then also give him some fries. He don't really need to eat that much. He's going to his dad's house today. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna go out to eat. But anyways, so I'm gonna take another bite of the Big Mac, and then I'm gonna put everything on it that's supposed to go on it. It's good. What? Oh, juice box. You want a juice box? So y'all, the burger's not bad at all. I already know what the chicken nuggets and fries kind of taste like. I mean, everybody that usually eats McDonald's probably already had the sweetie meal technically, but this one is new for me because I had never had a Big Mac before. So, you're gonna be off the walls, baby. Anyways, so now we're gonna take. We got a toy. Scooby-Doo. Now we're going to take our chicken nuggets and put it all on the burger. Here you go, baby. Scooby-Doo. So I'm going to put it all on the burger. So I think what I'm supposed to do is take the top off. And sorry if the lighting's kind of bad, y'all. I just sat at the dinner table, so I'm using the dinner table light. And the lighting is really over there, but there's no table, so bear with me with the lighting. Alright. So now we're gonna take the chicken nugget. I think we're supposed to break it up and put it all on there. Like so. And then I'm gonna pour. I'm steady doing that every time. Pour the sweet and sour sauce on the burger. Now we're gonna take a bite and see what it's giving. I hope this doesn't make my stomach hurt. I don't know if I like it with the chicken nuggets. Anyway, so today has been a rough day. We have fries. Look. He want anything I eat. He don't even care. He just like, girl, give it to me. Anyways. No, you want your juice? You talking about like, boy, bye. Alright, that's it. Alright, y'all. So like I was saying, today has been a really crazy, rough day for me. So I really just been in the bed sleeping. I haven't really been productive, anything like that. I don't like nuggets. Well, nuggets is not giving what it's supposed to give. But anyways, today has been a really crazy day. I've been thinking a lot to myself, trying to figure out what I want to do next. I've been trying to figure out what I want to do next in my life, not even just in general, I'm just talking about in life. Figuring out where I want to live, what I want to do. Everything like that. I just want to put everything on the whole, like stuff that's not really that important. I want to put that on the whole and focus on myself. So that's really what I have time to think on. I had time to reflect. Drop the toy. Water and juice. So, I posted Instagram pictures. I put them right here. Make sure y'all go like those. Follow me on Instagram and motherfucking Snapchat, bitch. To know. Why do you keep choking? You okay? Y'all, he keeps trying to eat and drink too fast. Stop throwing the toy on the floor. So I just dropped those videos. So make sure you go check those. Not those videos. I just dropped those pictures. So make sure you go check those out. What else? Oh, I'm finna take this hair out probably tomorrow. I was gonna take it out today, but I'm not sure if I'm going out or going anywhere tonight. So I'm just keeping these in just in case I decided to go, because I know there's this party tonight. And my best friend, there's nothing in there. Bye-bye. Here. So I don't really know. And so Keaton's going with his dad today. I don't really know what I want to do. Sit in the house, go party. Who knows? The type of party it is, I don't know if I really want to go to that type of party, because it's like a wet party. So you're supposed to wear like a bathing suit and stuff. But I'm not trying to get hella wet. Like, that shit's dead. So. But that's just so motherfucking good. Oh. No, I'm not getting it. Because you dropped it 5 times. You did that on purpose. Anyways. So yeah, y'all, I'm full. I swear to y'all, McDonald's fries are just tore me up. Like, If I was hot, I probably would devour this meal, but I'm not, so I'm not really that hungry. Y'all, sometimes in my videos, I feel like when I'm telling y'all something, I don't look at y'all direct in your eye, or I'm always saying or like I'm always taking a long time to say it. Y'all just bear with me, because sometimes I'm a little slow and I be trying to remember back on stuff, because I honestly forget everything. Like something could happen yesterday and I would like totally forget. Like you have to remind. When I be telling like story times or anything like that, baby, just know that, just bear with me. Be ready to be slow with Imani. Right, but if you truly love me, should be no motherfucking problems, because you love me and you want to watch me anyways, right? Right? Okay then. Period. So, I'm trying to think if I have anything else to tell y'all or anything else to wrap it up about. I just want to make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to let y'all know any updates or any type of thing. Cause my picture, I'm trying to take it serious. My Big Mac was probably an 8 out of 10. I really don't want it anymore. So my Big Mac was probably an 8 out of 10. Chicken nuggets, 5 out of 10, baby. Fries, 10 out of 10. If y'all know me, my favorite food is fries. I might do a Q&A about myself. Let me know if y'all want to see those video like that. Just a Q&A for myself and my question. Because usually they're a Teen Mom Q&A. And I probably haven't done the other Q&A in like 4 years. So, if I do, let me know some questions down below in the comments, so I can make sure to include y'all comments and also mention y'all in the video. Boy, stop. Sit, sit down. You hands dirty. You gotta touch on me. No. Juice. Hold it. I don't know why he acting like he want me to do everything. Anyways. So y'all, it's lettuce everywhere because there's so much fucking lettuce in that burger. Anyways, that's the end for this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know any other videos you guys would love to see. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter. I barely use Twitter, but I'm also on Twitter kind of. But make sure you follow me on all 3 of my social medias. Let me know any videos that you guys want to see and any businesses that want me to promote or show their products or anything like that. Make sure you DM me on my social medias and I will get back to you, period. Poo. But that's it for this video, guys. I love you guys so much, and make sure you guys join the gang. Subscribe. Yeah, take subscribe. All right, say bye. Love you guys.